No eno, no baking soda, not even extra salt, and still, these Rava Idlis turn this soft? Everyone thinks you need fruit salt to make MTR Rava Idli fluffy. But today I'll show you the real trick, the one that actually controls softness. If your Rava Idlis ever turned hard, flat, or rubbery, this one small mistake is the reason. Let's fix it properly. We're making exactly 8 idlis using 1 cup MTR Rava Idli mix. And no, we're not adding salt. It's already inside. 1 cup fresh thick curd, not sour. And very little water, that's important. Here's where most people go wrong. They add too much water. The batter should be thick, slow falling, almost scoopable. Thin batter means flat idlis. Rava absorbs moisture slowly, so we rest this for 20 minutes. This is your natural softness, not eno. And here's a small step most people ignore. Grease your idli molds with ghee, not oil. Ghee gives better aroma, softer edges, and that slight glossy finish like hotel-style Rava Idli. Oil works, but ghee elevates it. After resting, don't overmix. Just fold gently once. Overmixing removes the trapped air, and that's why idlis turn dense. Now fill only 3/4 full. Don't overfill, they need space to rise naturally. And here's another small but important step. Just tap the idli plate lightly on the counter. This levels the batter, removes trapped large air pockets, and gives you a flat, even top. If your idlis come out tilted or uneven, this is usually why. Steam on medium flame. High heat makes the top hard. (14 to 16 minutes). No opening the lid in between. Once done, switch off and let them rest for 3 minutes. Don't rush this step. Now here's a small trick for clean unmoulding. Keep a glass of water next to you. Dip a knife in the water. And gently run it around the edges. The water prevents sticking, and the idli slides out smoothly without tearing. If your idlis break while removing, you probably skip this. And serve these hot with sambar, they go beautifully together. The soft Rava Idli absorbs the sambar and tastes absolutely perfect. Soft, moist, structured, and we didn't use eno, just technique. This is how it's meant to be eaten. Try this once, and tell me if you still think you need eno.